Hello dear students, I am Dr. Pratap Naikwade. Welcome to your favorite channel, PVN Science Study. Hello dear students, in this video we will study adulteration and substitution. We will see reason, needs of adulteration and substitution. People, they are moving towards the Ayurveda, but adulteration and substitutions are the major problems of drug industry. Adulteration is the practice of substituting original crude drug partially or whole with other similar looking substances which is either free from or inferior in chemical and therapeutic properties. In Marathi, what we called adulteration is bhesal. Adulteration is defined as admixture or substitution of original or genuine article or drug with inferior, defective or otherwise useless or harmful substances. So many times the adulterant is defective or useless or harmful substances sometimes. The adulterant is generally cheap and available in fairly large amounts. So it is mixed with the original drug. Dear students, substitution is replacement of original authentic crude drug with other substance. Dear students, there are two types of adulteration. The first is deliberate or intentional adulteration. Intentional adulteration is generally for the increasing profit by mixing other substance, which is cheap in price. Some traders are not willing to pay premium prices for herbs of the superior quality, so purchase cheaper herb or product and use it in drugs. This type of adulteration encourages producers and traders to sell herbs of the inferior quality. Then the second type of the adulteration is indeliberate or unintentional or the accidental adulteration. As the name itself indicates, this type of adulteration is due to accident or due to ignorance. So this adulteration occurs without the bad intention of the manufacturers or suppliers. Sometimes, in absence of proper means of evaluation, an authentic drug partially or fully devoid of the active ingredients may enter in the market. This type of adulteration is maybe due to ignorance or lack of knowledge. Dear students, now we will see methods of adulteration. The first method is inferiority. Inferiority is the replacement with the substandard drug. In this condition, adulterants resembles the original crude drug morphologically, chemically, therapeutically, but are substandard in nature and cheaper in the cost. So very common example is Strychnox nux vomica. This is the photograph of Strychnox nux vomica, which is very important drug. It is adulterated with Strychnos potatorum, as you can see here, which is substandard in the therapeutic properties. Then the second method is spoilage. Substandard condition produced by the microbial or other pest infestation which makes a drug unfit for the medicinal preparation. So here in this photograph you can see that the drugs are spoiled. Actually, this spoiled raw material cannot be used for the drug preparation, but many times it is used. So it is treated as spoilage. It can be avoided by giving more careful attention to the drying and storage conditions. Then the third method is deterioration. Deliberate extraction of the constituents and the sale of the residue as the original drugs is known as deterioration. Many volatile containing drugs like clove, coriander are adulterated by this deterioration method. Then the next method is admixture. It refers to addition of one article to another through accident, ignorance or carelessness. A part of some plant which is devoid of the therapeutic action is mixed. For example, clove is mixed along with leaves as well as the petioles which are not therapeutically as good as the clove. Then the next method is sophistication, means addition of spurious or inferior material to an article with an intent to defraud. The drugs which are in the form of powders are frequently adulterated by this method. Common example is addition of wheat flour to the powdered ginger with enough capsicum to restore the pungency, as well as rosewood in the capsicum powder. Then the next method of adulteration is superficially similar inferior drugs. Inferior drugs may or may not have any chemical or the therapeutic values. Here, as you can see, these are the dried black pepper which are therapeutically very important. These are adulterated with the dried papaya seeds. So morphologically these dried papaya seeds, they are looking like the dried black pepper, but they are not showing the therapeutic properties like the black pepper. Next is artificially manufactured substance. Here the drug is adulterated with the substance which has been prepared artificially. Very common example is this is the bee wax, which is very important due to its therapeutic properties. It is adulterated with the paraffin wax which is yellow colored. Then the next method is adulteration by using synthetic drugs. Here synthetic chemicals are used to enhance natural character. For example, citral is added to the citrus oils. Then the next method is addition of harmful adulterants. Sometimes waste from the market are collected and admixed with the authentic drug. For example, limestone is added in asafoetida. So this is the photograph of asafoetida. It is adulterated with the limestone. Another common example is maintenance yellow is adulterated in the turmeric powder. So with this we have studied the methods of adulteration. Dear students, now we will see the reasons of adulteration and substitution. The first reason is scarcity of drugs. Many times the drug which is medicinally important is not available in great amount. So there is scarcity of the drugs. And to fulfill the market demand, adulteration is done. Then the second is confusion in vernacular names. Because of the confusion in vernacular names, there occurs adulteration with other drugs. Third is lack of knowledge about authentic source. Here authentic plant is available in plenty, but there is no knowledge to the collectors about the plant or the authentic source. Then the next reason is similar in morphology. Many plants, they are similar in morphology. Due to this, the collector get confused. Next reason is lack of authentic plants. Ancient Vedic literature reverses the description of various medicinal plants, but identification of the plant and its morphology, habitat and distribution are still not clearly established in some plants. So it is adulterated. Next reason is unscientific collection, careless collection of herbs by the suppliers. A proper care must be taken while collecting the natural drugs, but many times it is not done in a scientific way, and so adulteration takes place. And high price of the drug in the market. Many crude drugs are highly priced, and to increase the profit, instead of original authentic drug, adulterants are mixed. And the last reason is with the intention of enhancing profit by using cheaper adulterant, adulteration is done. With this we have completed reasons of the adulteration. Now we will see the evaluation of adulteration. Adulteration may be evaluated by different methods. Some of the methods are morphological or organoleptic test, then microscopic evaluation, chemical evaluation, physical evaluation, chromatography techniques, spectrophotometry, radioimmunoassay, and biological evaluation. Dear students, with this we have completed adulteration and substitution. Thank you.